not everyone can afford to buy their dream car brand new. Some of us have to buy it used as it's more affordable. The problem is that not all used cars are good. Some suffer myriad of engine problems, which means having to spend more on repairs, but more seriously, these vehicles are a safety risk. From an overheating engine to coolant leakage and noisy engine, the vehicles I'm going to share have been reported and recalled by the NHTSA for numerous engine issues. No one documents the report better than the consumer reports. So, I went to their website to learn about the worst used cars today, especially those with a bad engine, and I was surprised to discover there are many. I, however, will share the worst 10 as they have the most concerning engine problems. Number 1 will surely take you by surprise. Let's dive in. In number 10, Ford Fiesta 2011 and 2014. Nothing fits the description more than the Ford Fiesta for those looking for an affordable small sedan. Its cabin is quiet, generally fuel efficient, and easy to drive. The problem is that its 120 horsepower 1.6-litre 4-cylinder isn't the most powerful. Even worse, the engine doesn't seem to run out of problems. According to consumer reports, the 2011 and 2014 Ford Fiesta are among the worst used cars to buy for different reasons, including bad engine. Owners of this sedan report issues like failed engine lights, oil leaks, engine overheating, and broken engine timing belts, among many other issues. Indeed, these issues are concerning and are primarily why the NHTSA has severally recalled this subcompact, indicating the safety risks. So, while the 2011 and 2014 Ford Fiesta may be a budget buy, it's dangerous given its unreliable engine. In number 9, the Volkswagen GTI 2015, 2017 and 2019. The Volkswagen GTI has it all: tautness, agility, practicality, quietness, and the list continues. And did I mention the price? Yes, the sports car is quite affordable, given that you can get it for under $20,000 US. The sports car has a well-refined interior, featuring luxurious seats and a decent infotainment system. That, however, does not stop consumer reports from listing it among the worst used cars to buy. The 2015, 2017 and 2019 models are the worst of the lot, given their numerous engine problems. Speaking of engine problems, customers have reported issues like coolant leaks, engine power loss or hissing noise during acceleration, and engine electrical control unit failure, among others. Considering the engine issues, you may want to consider another Volkswagen sports car besides the GTI 2015, 2017 or 2019 models. In number 8, Ford F-250 2016 and 2018. The Ford F-250 has it all for the ultimate full-size pickup truck. It is strongly built to take on all the abuse. It has immense towing capability and a massive truck bed. The car also features a generous cabin space with a spacious backseat. The consumer reports, however, find fault in the 2016 and 2018 editions, which should concern you if you plan to get this pickup truck used. For example, it has a problematic engine, which according to owners is expensive to maintain and repair, but more seriously, it is a safety concern. Owners complain of issues like a leaky water pump, an oil leak, and an overheating engine. So, while the pickup truck's practicality is unquestionable, you must worry about its engine-related safety risks, especially when it's a used 2016 or 2018 Ford F-250. In number 7, Ford F-350 2011, 2016 and 2018. The Ford F-350 is an attractive heavy-duty full-size pickup truck you'll love driving around town. It's practical for a country setting and enjoys a stiff, bouncy ride. Despite that, the Ford F-350, especially the 2011, 2016 and 2018 editions, are not the best to buy used. it's a gamble considering the numerous engine problems that have been reported. According to Consumer Reports, this pickup truck doesn't have the most reliable engine. Owners complain of a failing cylinder head, which you must replace, an overheating engine, an oil leak, failed water pump, and a melted wiring, among other issues. All these engine issues don't just indicate a bad engine, but also suggest a safety concern, making the Ford F350 2011, 2016, and 2018 a risky purchase. In number 6, Chrysler Town & Country 2011 to 2014. The Chrysler Town & Country is what most people may consider the most complete 3-row minivan. Understandably, that's because the minivan has it all on paper. It has a modern, almost timeless look, it's comfortable to drive on board, and it has a quiet, passenger-friendly cabin. More importantly, the minivan is equipped with considerable versatility. So, whether you plan to drive it in town or back in the country, you can never go wrong with a Chrysler Town & Country. The only caveat is that you shouldn't go for a used 2011, 2012, 2013 or 2014 editions because of the numerous engine issues they are likely to face. You may experience problems such as a failing cylinder head, which causes the engine to misfire, frequent engine knocks, malfunctioning engine lights, and oil leaks, among many other problems. Wait a minute. I know you're enjoying this video. What about you give me a thumbs up by liking it, then subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates on our latest epic videos. Let's continue. In number 5, Chevrolet Cruize 2011, 2014, 2015, 2016, and 2018. The Chevrolet Cruize fits the description if you want a pocket-friendly hatchback for your city commuting and frequent adventures. Though it's only a small hatchback, it has what you need for a comfortable driving experience. Its enviable fuel economy and nicely finished cabin give the impression of an expensive hatchback. However, the car has several concerns, especially its used version. According to Consumer Reports, the 2011, 2014, 2015, 2016, and 2018 Chevrolet Cruize is among the worst used cars to buy. Primarily, that's due to its never-ending engine problems such as coolant leaks, failing engine lights, frequent engine knocks, engine misfiring, and burning smell, among other issues. They're all safety and reliability concerns. In number 4, Dodge Grand Caravan 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2018, and 2019. You want a 3-row minivan with a modern touch, generous space, unrivaled comfort, and a quiet cabin. And that's what Dodge Grand Caravan promises. You also want its cabin to offer the utmost versatility and its seats to provide maximum convenience and cargo space. According to Consumer Reports, the key car is the unreliable engine. Some owners complain of failing engine lights, an engine knock, engine stalling, a failing cylinder head, and a squeaky pulley system. Others complain of oil leakage, tank fueling issues, and engine damage. These issues are particularly prevalent in the 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2018, and 2019 Dodge Grand Caravans, which you should avoid. In number 3, Jeep Wrangler 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2018, and 2019. The Jeep Wrangler is arguably one of the most iconic SUVs. Its classic rugged design makes it a timeless choice, and its off-road capability makes it a must-drive. However, serious engine concerns come with 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2018, and 2019 models that stain its legendary status. According to owners, the Jeep Wrangler will at some point need you to replace the cylinder head following an engine misfiring or the radiator following a coolant leak. Others complain of an overheating cooling fan, faulty V-belt, engine knock, and failed oil pressure sensor. The issues seem unending regarding the Jeep Wrangler. Consequently, avoid buying it used, especially the makes I've shared. In number 2, GMC Acadia 2011, 2012, 2013, 2016, 2017 and 2020. The GMC Acadia ticks many boxes for families. It is mid-sized, features 3 rows, and has a luxurious indoor appeal. Moreover, it's ride-friendly, off-road capable and bold, making it a physical specimen. Since its direct competition includes the Buick Enclave and the Chevrolet Traverse, you expect nothing but a beast incarnate on the road. The only issue is that it's not a good buy used. According to Consumer Reports, the GMC Acadia 2011, 2012, 2013, 2016, 2017 and 2020 are not the best choices for used cars. Primarily, that's because of the numerous engine issues they face. For example, some users complain about replacing the cylinder head, alternator lights, engine sensor and water pump. Others complain of a frequently overheating engine, which points to a failed cooling system. With such issues in the picture, buying a used GMC Acadia is a risk you wouldn't want to take. In number 1, Nissan Pathfinder 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2017. The worst car to buy used overall is the Pathfinder. Not all Nissan Pathfinders are bad, as Consumer Reports singles out the 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2017 models. While these models are incredible truck-based workhorses with massive space and elegance, they fall short in where it matters the most: the engine. For example, the 2013 and 2014 models were recalled by the NHTSA 11 and 12 times respectively for different issues, including engine problems. Some owners complain of a broken cooling fan and a faulty radiator, which lead to engine cooling difficulty. Others suffer from significant oil leaks and engine vibrations. Moreover, you may have to worry about expensive gasket replacement and cooling fan noises, among other issues. Clearly, the Nissan Pathfinder, more so the 2013, 2014 and 2015 editions, are not worth buying used. Now, you know the 10 used cars to stay away from for bad engines, unless you plan to replace the engine, which may not be economical in the end. Here is another exciting video on used SUVs with 100,000 miles, which you'll love if you intend to buy a used SUV. See you there.